Hi friends. So today I recommended you top 5 drones of DJI on Amazon. So let's start. All products links available in description. DJI Air 2S. The combination of portability, safety, and intelligent technology means you can spend more time enjoying flights and less time worrying about them. Take DJI Air 2S into the sky confidently, every flight. DJI Mini 3 Pro sports a completely new look that is optimized to get more out of every flight. With larger propellers, an aerodynamic body tilt, and a powerful obstacle sensing system, the streamlined design allows for increased flight time and safety. DJI Mavic 3 Fly More Combo. Fly with Mavic 3 and discover imaging above everything. Higher dynamic range allows for more natural transitions between highlights and shadows, preserving rich visual information with a greater sense of depth. Capture stunning imagery with a legendary Hasselblad camera and enjoy smooth flight with omnidirectional obstacle sensing. Every improvement on Mavic 3 sets a higher standard for aerial photography. DJI FPV. Rip through the sky with speed, power, and complete control. Go into the beyond and redefine flying. Fly through the sky in ways that seem impossible. We never lost our passion for flying, and with DJI FPV, those passions have turned imagination into reality. With this immersive and intuitive aerial platform, get ready to go into the beyond. DJI Mavic 2 Pro. Our dream has always been to make a drone that exists where engineering, technology, and the needs of the aerial photographer converge. A drone that embodies all of DJI's advanced, signature technologies, and is able to redefine what is possible for the world of aerial photography. In creating the Mavic 2, we have made this dream come true,